Hi guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing unboxing of two beautiful sarees from JOMSO.com, and both the sarees are red. So let's get started. This is how JOMSO does its packaging. The sarees, guys, one is a ruffle saree, if you can see this in the picture, and the another one is this SABYASACHI Replika Saree. So first, let's see this one, the ruffle saree. And I'm going to show you guys the picture. This is how the saree should look. So let's see how it is. Let's see the blouse fabric. So here it is. It comes in this red, bright red color, and there's this floral sequence work. And if you can see, the blouse has a little shine. So it's a little shiny, and the fabric used here is Bengali silk. Pretty soft, looks like a very good fabric, and not very see-through, but it is a little see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached. And then there's this plain fabric. This is going to be the back of your blouse. There is about 0.80 meter of fabric for the blouse, which is a standard size. Design, guys, it is all stitched, so it will not come off when you wash it, and looks like a very good quality. On the other side, if you see, the stitching is also very good. Coming to the saree, guys, it comes in this bright red color, and the fabric used here is georgette, and then they've given the same embellishment design which you saw in the blouse. And if you can see this closely, there's like golden embroidery design in between, and then it is surrounded by this glitters. And again, the stitching is pretty good. It is not glued, it is stitched, so even while you're washing it, this is not going to come off. And it's a little low maintenance because you can wash it at home. You don't have to give it to dry clean. Ruffles, guys, they've given like a single layer of ruffle, which I really like. And even the ruffle pleating, if you see, it's very nicely made. And to the extreme end, they've given this thick wire kind of a piping so that it stays in place. And even the pleatings, if you see, it's very minute and nice. There's no stitches over here, like you will not find any like random stitches, very bad, poor quality stitches over here. So this saree is best for like small parties. And if you don't like this red color, then there are like a lot of other color option as well. I think they have it in green, yellow, purple. There are a lot of colors. You can check it in their website. And this time they have not included a petticoat fabric, which I was actually expecting. Now coming to the comparison, guys, the picture shown in the website and what I received is almost the same. If you see the blouse fabric here and what I received, they have given this patti as well for the neck. So all the minute details which is shown in the picture, they have covered, even the saree, even the ruffle, everything. So I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. I'm really impressed with the quality of the georgette fabric and the blouse fabric. About the price, guys, the original price of this was 3,290 rupees and the discounted price is just 1,649. In case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or this is the product code. You can type it on their website and check the product. Now let's see the next saree. So this is the beautiful copy of SABYASACHI Saree. Let me open this up. I was super excited while ordering this saree because I really love Sabyasachi design. First, let's see the blouse fabric. This is how it looks. It comes in this beautiful bright red color, and the fabric used here is georgette. Again, pretty good, very good quality georgette fabric, and a little see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached. But in the blouse, they have like given design, sequence work design for the sleeve part. But here there is nothing. It's just a plain fabric, so I'm a little disappointed over here. Next, let's see the saree, guys. And the fabric used here is Rangoli georgette. So, and this is the border. They have given the sequence and the thread work, embroidery, lace work going on over here. Again, the lace quality is really good. Even the sequence work, if you see, it's not coming off. And all throughout the saree, they've given this pretty sequence design. It's in golden. And I think in the original Sabyasachi saree, it was silver. I'm not sure. I'll have to recheck it. So, but I really like how they've done it. Very nicely made. If you see on the other side, the stitching is good and it's not pricking. Like, it's soft. It feels soft on skin. So I like it. Or else, most of the sarees which have like this, a lot of sequence work, are really painful. And this is not very golden. It's like copperish golden. So the design is same all throughout the saree, guys. It's a little heavy as well. Coming to the comparison, guys, the picture shown on the website and what I received is almost the same. You can actually compare the lace design shown in the picture and this one. Even the minute details they have covered, so it's really good. And even the fabric, the sequence design is of a very good quality. The only thing I'm disappointed is that they have not given sequence detailing for the blouse. So I would like to rate it 4 out of 5, which is like a good rating. If you're interested to buy this, I'm going to give the link in my description box. The original price of this was around 4,000 rupees and the discounted price is just 1,949, which I think is a super good deal for this kind of a sequence worked saree. It's like super good, super nice deal. So if you're interested, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or this is the product code. You can directly go to www.jomso.com and type this product code and you will see this product. So now coming to the site, guys, if you are new here and if you don't know about Jomso, Jomso sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear. They do have kurtis, saris, lehengas, whatnot. They have a lot of replica designs as well, and they do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge. And a lot of you have questions about return. It's very simple, guys. Once you receive a product, you didn't like the product or the quality of the product is not good, or you receive a defective product, what you'll have to do is you'll have to mail them payment within 7 days of receiving the product, and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video guys. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.